At Des Moines University Medicine and Health Sciences, innovation isn't a buzzword. It is actually built into our DNA. It is a defining element of who we are and why we are here.
Education is all about innovation, just like medicine is about innovation. And we have to teach students in a fashion in which they can actually learn, active learning.
Being in a setting of higher education, you want to always be pushing the boundaries, right? If we're going to be stagnant, we're not going to meet our students' needs. We're not just preparing them with facts that we know from a textbook. We have to get them ready to be innovative themselves.
There's a lot of really amazing technology in the rehabilitation world that uses things like robotics in helping people regain function and return to meaningful areas of life. And so we're teaching our students how to use technology like that.
One of our favorite examples of innovation in action is Astro. He's our home care robot with some serious skills. From connecting patients with care teams to delivering medication, Astro helps our Doctor of Occupational Therapy students like me experience real-world technology that supports independence, quality of life, and safety.
Whether it's harnessing AI in the classrooms or performing surgery in virtual reality, we're turning bold ideas into everyday tools that improve lives. Depending on what the students need to learn, we can provide the correct simulation environment for them, anywhere from a clinic room to be able to replicate a telehealth hub in a rural health setting right here at DMU is pretty incredible.
Just for example, there's like a living room and kitchen, so we get exposure to it. It's really good to get the exposure before we go out in clinicals or meet with future patients.
We had a 3D printing guest speaker, which is something I wasn't really aware of that was used in occupational therapy. So it's been cool to kind of see all the different technologies and innovations that kind of apply to this field.
Innovation, creativity go together, and that's what we want out of our students, and that's what we want them to become.
I think what excites me the most about the direction that DMU is heading with innovation is the open-mindedness and the enthusiasm that innovation is met with. Like AI, for instance, right? AI is a big tool, and there's a lot to learn about it, and that can be pretty intimidating. But here at DMU, I see people that are interested and enthusiastic and want to take on that challenge, and then I think that really sets our students up for success.
There's a lot of excitement about being able to deliver on a vision, to deliver on a dream, to prepare our students for a future state that wouldn't otherwise be here if we didn't have the facilities we have with the focus on innovation that we bring to Des Moines University today.